Hey y'all, so the spinach artichoke dip cups were such a hit that I'm going to try something else. I'm going to experiment a little more. Since I've never used these wonton cups, or wonton papers, I'm just amazed at how that turned out. So let's try something with strawberries. I'm going to go rinse these off. Set your oven to 350 degrees. Get a big cup of warm water and put 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese in there to soften it up. Just take your tops off of your strawberries. Take our mix and chop and just chop up the strawberries really, really good. That works great. Now we're going to put in 1 cup of sugar. Now if you want yours a little bit more tart and not so sweet, just put a 1/2 cup of sugar, but this was the big package of strawberries. So if you have a little package, just do 1/2 cup or 1/4 cup if you don't like it too sweet. Now I'm going to add my softened cream cheese. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Get that mixed up. Now I think it's going to be okay that the cream cheese is not completely mixed in because that will kind of melt in the oven. So it's a little bit clumpy, but that's going to be good because it'll have chunks of cream cheese in it, I think. I've never done this before. I think it's going to be good. Gonna spray my pan with some cooking spray. Pack these down in there. Just like that. Now let's give each one a little spoonful. Just like that. Now we're gonna put one of these right on top. Push them down in there. Just like that. Another spoonful right on top. In the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, there they are. While those are cooling, we're gonna make a little bit of a chocolate drizzle ganache to go over it. So we're gonna do 1/2 bag. Probably don't even need that much. You don't need all of that. So, just a tad. A little bit of this. And maybe just a couple tablespoons. And get it melted. That doesn't take but a second. Perfect. Oh yeah. All right, let's fish these out. Let's see if they do as good. Huh. Little strawberry cup. I'm putting these back in for a few minutes. I think they need to cook a little bit longer than 15 minutes. 20 minutes. Ha. And then just kind of do. That looks delicious. There you have it. There is your little strawberry and chocolate wonton cup. I've gone wonton crazy. That's good. I think these could even go 25 to 30 minutes. It's so good. It's like a chocolate covered strawberry with a little chunky cream cheese, like strawberry cheesecake with a crispy crust. Go make this. It's delicious. Have a great day.